So I'm here in my Wix dashboard, and let's see the options that our dashboard actually provides us. So over here, once I'm in my dashboard, you can see that the site that we have been working with is right over here. There's some site action right over here. So edit site actually takes us to that particular page where we can start editing all of the contents right over there. So that is what edit site actually does. So it opens up Wix ADI so that we can start working with it right over there. It's loading, as you can see. And over here, now this has been loaded and we can work with it. The other options that we have are in site actions. We can see view the live site right over here. So there's a preview of the site, which is right over here. You can see that the URL is typed in actually. And over here, the other option is to rename the site. So I want to rename the TutorTube into something else, or if I want to change the site URL, then I can change it out right over here. For example, let's say I just want to change it into TutorTube and save that out. And it says renaming your site, just like that, as you can see right over here. So it just renames the site, and you can see that that is how it actually updates it out. The other option you have is duplicate site. So what that does is it creates a copy of the site right over here. So you want to create in another version of the site, just like that, side by side, then you can do that right over there as well. So now what happens is that it has created a copy of the site right over there. So on your dashboard, you'll be able to see that out right over there as well. So now the other option you have is transfer site. So you want to transfer your site to someone else right over here, then you can transfer the site to another user as well. Another thing you can do is invite contributor. That is, if you are working with someone else altogether, then you can invite contributor right over here. The other option is move to trash. That is, it'll completely delete the site, or you can create a new site, so that creates something from blank, as you can see right over here. So just like that, you continue with like Wix ADI or editor, and then according to what you want, you can just create a new slide right over here, just like that, as you can see. And these are the options that Wix actually provides you with. So let me just continue and get over with this quick right over here until it creates a new site right over there. And you can see right here that there's another site which is actually made for you. So you can see right over here, let me just leave the page, and here you go. So now, if you want to view all your sites, you can go over here onto My Sites right over here, where you will be able to see all of your sites that you want to edit. So you can see that TutorTube copy is here, My Site is here, so you can just work around with this. There's Explore feature, like you can see some inspiring websites, updates and releases. You can see help, or you can hire a professional to make your site as well. So you can create a new site over here, or you can create a new folder as well. So if you have a lot of sites and you want to manage it out, what you can do is you can create a new folder out here, like let's say, for example, site collection right over here. And then what you can do is you can keep the sites in that folder right over there as well, according to what you want. So you can see it right over here that you can see that this is the site collection. So here what you can do is you can create a new site and manage the folder just like that as well. So what you can do is you can go to site action, move this to a folder called site collection, and it is inside that folder, as you can see. So move to folder, site collection. Just like that, this is just a way to manage your entire collection of websites and so forth, just like that, as you can see. You can see all your inbox here. So if someone messages, you can see right here, all the notifications are here. And if you want to access your mailboxes, and if you want to change your account settings, then it's right here, as you can see. So there's a lot of options provided for you in the dashboard if you want to customize your own account and your sites, as you can see, just like that. And those are the dashboard options for your Wix account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.